We'll walk down here. Let's see if we can get any of the minister horses. Or Jay's new colt. Yeah, me and Papa was getting something from the barn, and I was letting there's something in the ground. I said, something's dead over there. It's not moving or breathing at all. I went over there, baby colt, laying down on the ground.
It was dead?
Well, we thought it was. We called Jay up. He said, I'll go check on it later. Okay, well, then we went to go check on it again. It was gone. So he called Jay and texted him, and he said, must have been sunbathing. And Jay said, I hope so. I mean, we can get a better view of the horses if they're eating hay. But yeah, we like them stuff here. They hit the ground. I don't know why it's hitting that way. Got two beautiful horses over there. I wish my still had a horse named when I was a baby, I got on them in the saddle and nobody had to walk them or hold them. We just walked in a circle. And that was a favorite horse, and then all of a sudden one day there's something wrong with him. I guess he got something in his hoof and started acting up and then getting all restless and kicking everybody, and then he literally spent $10,000 on that horse just in doctor bills trying to see what was going on. And one day he literally spent $20,000 just to get an x-ray on the horse.
Wow.
Like he said, no, you're messing up on the x-ray, do it again. And then he finally realized that he ain't gonna make it, because he'd end up kicking his daughter, or one of his daughters, and like, you know how dads are about the daughters, if a dog bites a kid, and the son or daughter, they're going to kill the dog. Because if it aggressively bites, and draws blood, that's going to make them mad. Yeah, that building over there, he built that a couple weeks back. That's where he puts his bobcats and bulls and the tree houses over there. Yeah, those are good.
My phone's about to die.
How much percent?
Like about 13. Alright guys, we're gonna end it here. Because my phone's about to die. So, like, subscribe, put on notifications, join the squad, and put down some dares and questions if you want to ask any of us. Any of us elements. Remember, there's fire, mercury, ice, water, earth, wind.
Yeah, this 2000 year pregnant. Can't wait for them to have that one. I had a calf that had a big old white stripe down his neck. We had to get rid of him because there was a bull, and we couldn't band him in time. And which was funny, one day I went to walk around the field, see where he was with a bucket of feed that day. One day I found him and came to him to thank him. He started following me everywhere. Bucket or no bucket.
That's
So
creepy.
did Brownie. That's the only way a person can actually touch her.
If you're wondering why we double locked this, it's because we have an escape artist.
Yeah, that big old cow over there with the horns. She will literally break this daggum gate down, break the electrical fence, do anything to get over there to them bulls. Oh, there's an ant. Yeah, and it's really good because because of how, like, my baby bulls are. They're like, want to roam a bunch and everything and go. And they tend to get mad a lot at me because I have to get them with a bullwhip sometimes. And they ain't pretty happy about that.
Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna head off and do something. Anyway, peace.